Hey everyone, it's Sarah with Consolidated Fruit Packers. We had our first real frost of the season and we are moving into our winter apples. We still have a little bit of ambrosia left on the tree. We've got some Granny Smiths, some Red Delicious, some Fuji, and then the very last variety to come off is usually Pink Lady. It's a beautiful time of the season and the apples are just glowing on the trees. So why don't we go and take a look. As we're wrapping up harvesting apples, there are other activities that the grower needs to be finishing up. That includes winterizing the sprayers, post-harvest nutrition sprays, blowing out the irrigation, maybe flagging some diseased or dead wood that needs to come off in the dormant season. So there is lots to be done at this time of the year. The 2020 cherry crop is actually created in 2019, the year previous. So it's always very important to take care of your trees, make sure that you get a post-harvest nutrient spray on, and ultimately do everything you can to make sure that your trees are supported so that next season these potential fruiting buds will produce an amazing cherry crop for the next season.